climate change organizations have
emissions of greenhouse gases.
Climate change is now happening.
Indonesia says it's
10 million tons of.
The Philippines tops a list of countries most susceptible to hazards prospect climate change.
Ito ang dahilan ng pagkakaroon ng mga bagyong gaya ng Super Typhoon Yolanda at Bagyong Ondoy.
This is all wrong. You all come to us young people for hope. How dare you? You have stolen my dreams, my childhood with your empty words. Yet, I'm one of the lucky ones.
During a long period of time.
Because of climate change, we experience hotter temperature.
Ano mo, sa ang climate change?
Climate change kay kanang changes sa ato ang temperature, sa weather, like kanang mukalit aguan, mukalit aginit, kaya na.
Thank you, ate.
Sir, what do you think climate change affect our life?
I think that climate change is a phenomenon that we are not suffering the imbalance of our nature, just like the El Nino. That is an epic of climate change. I thank you.
Nun kuya kanang pwede mo ask about kanang unsaon nimo para malasan ang climate change.
So, to lessen climate change, we must kuanan. Ato ba itong hunahunahon jud ang safety o well-being sa atong environment o benefits nato nga makuha if ato na siyang ampingan. Such as, once ka natin clean and healthy environment, di ba, dili kita magkasakit-sakit. Walay mo usbong nga pandemic sama sa COVID-19. And to lessen its effects sa climate change kay ato ba itong stop ang human activities such as kaingin, mining, and any other forms that can destroy our environment. Kay if dili ko na nato siya stop, mubalik lagi na nato kita kay madaot anak. So to further lessen it as student lang kay student kami talon, we must encourage other students like us, fellow students like us nga to take part in the advocacy in protecting our environment. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, kuya.
How come my day be better when I'm with you? You're the only one who makes me laugh. So how can my day be bad? It's a day for you. Lately, life's so boring. I've been watching Netflix all day long. I thought there would be no things left to watch, so I let myself out. When I went to the park, I recognized you at a glance, face to face. We just smiled. We already know that we'll be together. We'll be together. How can my day be better when I'm with you? 'Cause